yeah.
Man, Pachamene Abna. You're sorry, and you see, I'll pay you. Best say, oh, Kobe Bintino. Give a proper hammer, and I say, won't me pra. Hey, Yappa Papa.
A moment, the Yana Mississippi. My premier, I'm sorry to say, Boom say, go, Ntiamoah. Oh,
Ntiamoah, I know away.
Nampa Juma. Hey! I am here.
Oh, yeah, Mama, so you know my insurance, get your whole hammer, why?
Anyone, I don't remember Juma. Some man, you and your movie, I know my crown, why? Yeah, Nana. Hi, Atuba. Hey, Nana. Yeah, Atu. Hey, yeah. What is that? Me baby, brody. What's also your brother? Yeah, brother, Mama was sure. Mama was sure. It's way, Hey, I don't know what you say about I'm sending a caravan. You can't go by any. Ready? Before we see China.
Oh, no, I'm okay.
Did mom?
Oh.
Go back and one baby.
Oh.
Yeah.
I feel Papa.
Did you know now? If you any fee.
Hey.
No, did be at Did you?
Oh, no, yuck. You're actually putting that in your mouth? Oh, was it even cooked properly? Look at the flies all around.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't think they cooked it. They just grinded it. They didn't even put it on the fire. There's a pepper.
I didn't know by you.
Don't mind my money. So I'm not here. It's your home. It's a
Yeah, we are home.
Ben you What up? Offer to be here.
Oh, yeah,
hey.
So, what?
Hey, you want to inside us?
Oh, since a one.
Yeah, some more.
I'm telling you, yeah. Awuni.
No, I'm okay.
Auntie John.
Oh, that's not good.
A little bit.
Yes, oh, my man, and I best send pen.
Biani say, ma, when you be new.
Did you know the check? What do you mean, son? Why do you need check?
Yes, I'm good.
Ah.
Mama, Bana me catch us some worry no. About in here. Lina, this is my mom.
No, hi, Mom. Thank you for having us.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
One young. To free him, Roberto.
I got an idea now, you know, Canada now. The one what's training in tea.
Oh, just a little bit. If you
Yeah,
say
time
I understand.
one. Yeah, time one. Papa.
What did she say?
She said you're beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
That time one, Papa.
She said you're very beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey, are you not gonna have water with that? You're gonna choke.
No. I'll be fine.
Okay.
Some better.
I mean, Miss America.
Oh, Dana no for kakra.
I mean, Miss America. Are we going to spend the night here?
As long as there's an AC, air conditioner, I'm fine. I'll manage.
Right. You go. You go eche no best right. You go eche no best right. Yeah. Akwa. Now what to say? Oh, food trouble. A person in food trouble to me more behind.
Wo more bo. Wo na wo more bo. Say the same.
But your work is not for me. Rather high, so sorry.
Wo more bo na yewe. Every time, what we let to remember me make us happen for what? What we let add that and a woman. Bema get a cheer, who get a mob on a woman and a woman boy
it's normal. It's
normal. Effa home. Me effa me home. Krum ha effa krum ha now. Ya mamra ha say ya mamra ya nyansa. Bema wo ye gwana oba dada. Ensi da. Mi hu bi da. Ena me tin mpani se won so da. Me ba. Me ba bema papa bi se wo mo gina ho. Wo kita ayi mo. Ena twere se wo mo bo no ba nada. For what? Ashi, Ntiamoah from.
You know, ma, I put you sign here, no. Obey to me, obey to me. This is nothing. I'm just mobbing here. If you're bad, it's even coping time or bed then and whilst I'm free, not doing anything. I can easily do it. It's normal.
Ntiamoah. So you're not that. So you're queen into a daddy home and a woman. Every time, Papa. Every time. Who is she? Where? Ah!
Mother, show for me in one time.
Why are you fair? Why only when I'm not
Mamma, it's so because I'm not from loving Alino. Oh,
yes. Because I tell that. Because I don't yes, so Tadian. What that? And then they go and then we want that. We go, no. What is waking him up?
Old tradition now. So worry about that is leave.
My fear one. And what you fear I can't so. And I would see her. And I made me banner. And you drank your would di. And said I knew where you are.
Mommy, what's wrong with that? This is the new generation, and so he can cook. I can cook.
Shut my order. This is the new generation. Today he's cleaning, she's washing, she's spreading bed, she's cooking at the same time for you to eat. What is the use of you?
But mommy, what is wrong with that? That is a 1960 mentality. In this generation, we do it 50-50. If he cooks a little bit, and I cook a little bit, and he cleans, what is wrong with that?
Hey, woman, no idea. No idea. Oh, counting generation. Fashion your generation.
Mommy.
Look at your 2 minutes where you want.
Why? Then the cost what?
Why, check. A beer and I'm making. What would you hear an idea? We will crash it on you fast. What's a blouse? I said, short nika cock in the kitchen, and what can I do? And will be your bed.
Where is my wife? My catcher said, any more. Obey some more barney wolf. I didn't know you.
She may catch them with both bar and mammy cook on pie. And mammy cook on pie. Who you want to get me here and our bad or bad? Memmo left and right. Only me. Only woman, son of bottom. My bottom. No, my bottom.
What a mammy and cook me bone. Say your way and was sent what starting.
But couldn't let who come back. Money back couldn't let me. Money back. Who got that?
Miss your bathroom, I say.
And also come with you home.
Oh, When they say bathroom, maybe I'm driving and I'm missing.
Hey! I didn't know. I didn't want to if you're in my boss. And to you know, crown fast or pen the one so far to pen the one. Oh, what are you then? What are you then?
No, it isn't here to me.
Hey, Juma. Now you was for a Juma. A paper pen and one piano. Oh, we are what you got. One more book. That's about the one that shame. What am I going to do? I'm hey, woman, men I'm a war. What do you think? So and I'll be dressing. Can be a catcher.
I'm sorry. No fee said a guy if you clean bathroom. Ni big deal, Niddy.
Are you putting my you may well bonnet cassette. Oh, people who say you're good must be a coming. I don't know woman must see you. I then
say, bathroom, if you had me carry. It's me cleaning her, ain't a big deal. I don't want to say, I said, be you,
Missy, who papa, and you're who may know, Groma, and your baby. Oh, yes, sir, I tell you something, baby, I'm not a catcher. I don't know. And I will what I have. One won't.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm done cleaning the bathroom, so I need to change the sheets.
Oh, babe, can't you see I'm still sleepy? I've not even slept for 12 hours yet. You know I need my 12 hours of beauty sleep. Can you please do something else? Maybe go clean downstairs and come back in a few hours. I'm still tired, baby. Please.
All right. I love you.
I love you too.
The winning one. When I can't think of the winning one. Mamma. Why won't Pratt? When were you on it? And do home first one, any the way him. My fans, my fa. What's happening? Come on. What I go to do? What I go to do? I collect it. What I go to do? Who are you? Who be you? Who be you? I want to cross this pipe. Where's the closing pipe? What? Me too. You come and pull yourself, pulling, but I feel it eating. I feel it eating.
I'll be going out. I'll be back in a few hours.
Hey! Blah! Cow! The gentleman to me, I didn't say one.
What's wrong with what I'm wearing?
What's it here? Who carbon thing? And would dressing way at a day, you wouldn't pay.
What's wrong with this?
You don't know what is wrong with this. Half naked, wouldn't him say, ever had been long. Hey, about what for? It wouldn't him so woken. Oh, be a bear man at this gabble water, and she will flew out for. She said, what?
But the weather is hot. So what's wrong with what I'm wearing? The weather is hot. I don't want to be hot. I don't see anything wrong with it.
The water is hot. Hey. And you're wrong. Kuyatadiano, no connect near who say, a real my ship. What I know, one efa. One efa. Wouldn't you say, I saw Cata who see? What do we say? We say, we, it's all one in Bodon come about. Fako Bodon come about.
This is how we dress in Canada. I don't see anything wrong with it.
Yes, not Canada. I'm fed up with this, your Canada thing. What is it? Everything Canada, everything. Go and stay there and do your things. Come on, go on a factory, temptation. No good jaddy con with Jana, Mammy. We are by dream bag, I'll sorry and open about mommy. What I'm going to eat. Then I'll exercise my patience and tell you what I'll eat. And you do it for me. You just wake up and then wear this.
But you're a woman like me. I have an appointment. I'm running late. So why don't you also equally go and cook for yourself in the kitchen? As a woman you are.
I should go and cook my own. I should go and cook my own. Can you tell this to your mommy?
I have to go.
You don't respect.
From my appointment, okay?
You don't respect. So you are going there. What chef am I so?
Kitchen too.
What chef am I so?
Why? What is it? Huh? What's going on?
Are you serious?
What's happening?
Are you serious? You don't know what's going on.
What's going on?
You're asking me what's going on. So you don't know it's your mother that's going on? Ever since I came, she just keeps nagging and complaining. Like, am I not the right wife for you? Am I not good enough for you? Your mother keeps talking about everything I do, complaining about every little thing. Why?
Don't worry, I'll talk to her. Okay? I will handle it. Please, calm down.
You will talk to her every day. I will talk to her. I will talk to her. I will talk to her. Make sure you talk to her this time for real. If not, I'm going back to Canada.
Hey, I said I will talk to her. Calm down.
Listen, if you don't talk to her for real this time, you will never touch me again. Do you hear me? I am so serious. You will not touch me again. If you don't talk to her, you will not touch me again. I am tired of this. I'm tired of the nagging, okay? So just move.
Babe, that's how I'll talk to her. Calm down.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Until you talk to her, do not touch me. Thank you.
Nana, and run at some catch you say, and then we never didn't come. And come on in Yana say, me buy ye, me to form boko, me say, we are Juma be a Jumano, and your way Juma. A Juma, I will yet answer we are Sweden. As was Wawali. What for be a bobo? It may put a war brepa. Tino, me and Cassandra for Oba so no be a bro. Oba who number Juma, Oba, you my woman register one cast our bonds at us. As I know I didn't want me. Send a be a no muscle at Ntiamoah. What you say? And no name common.
So I'm complaining. Me found to him here.
Men are me complaining. And you men are me complaining. Some better me tea or bread or so much. Now, oh, bread or two. Why, when you Sujani, now, oh, yen, you may be decided, will be cow home. My better me will be cow home, will be about wow. What you say, sir?
How do you? My name is Rebecca until the Obani Beckham, but the better one.
When am I back home? When am I back home? I won't to a water. Who are you? Ya and come cross a minute, me buy me who baby. Me who baby, after me who say, Oba, Nadiana Prayer, Oba, Nadiani Jade, and so means a bear, my dear, one on dear, or quite maba or damper. And keep you on Chemio Nana and keep you on Chemit.
It makes my cophobia, but Nefia, so may if you more Rami or Miramani.
Men may bow a man, ye. Me and I may bow a man, yes, I may go for Biaba. Oh, catch a wine. Will you have a mosubio me patron? Miss Row.
Martin, the time also vanity. My east still can crash a fridge, my mental woman and
Aye! Not cousin. And then, remember who regard horn or Chaka. Oh, what I may go, Juma may do one. Juma may do one.
No, Bandy dead. My east still fridge, Mamma won't make a crap.
Only the amo. We are Brahma Passion.
I'm money piano. Money piano.
Mr. Okorabia. Who regard it? And then Mr. Who regard it? And you come back to me. Mama. Hey, I'm about Oh, yes.
Sorry, go and I'm saying, hey, Ma, Mommy, I don't know what the idea of my friend is saying. No, I'm not the Biabini of an apple. They are making us some children. That's what we need. I'm party. Oh, Papa, hey, yeah. Oh, sure. It's sure. I'm not about it. Hey. Mama, how do you see? Papa. Yeah. We spent time with them. Papa, what you are baby? Hey, yeah, but Oba Muyankasa. Oh, Papa. I had your boko. I'm not pay sorry. I mean, you want to with them all. And something say, ya friend me. Or Bem want to sabit ramin. I had your boko. When I'm going to sample. Minkitana bonnet. With the Nidiasa. Yantina menam. Na send ya kwale ye mameno. Ebro madwene ne mentiase so. Fitemi hu bi da. Sa baba wanyi ndru sei no wo buo. Te wa na wo no tete no. Ya na me wo no mame aboso me nkron. Ja wada. Mo why ade. That's it. Ya me shira. Amen. On shira won so me dofo. Hey! Me wo bi do. Ja. Ti no de mami kan tiawa. Ntiam tutu menai e ba ha de se. Sani akolesiti. So me wo babema ba kope a wo krokesi me pese obey be de no krokesi m koma babema wo no ni ye adwuma okoboaboa na adwuma yo kakra sa biso oni yire sa oni obi o ye aduane ma nti no oba wo krokesi mu a ofra brochira ba a wo ni yire pese ya akọ na okoboaboa no kono no aduane ene aduane no aso die ya chai wa kire ne yo matetse no yi ankasa nti aduane no ade woni problem mate ena me da ase ase da wonya kopon menche enti no ochina brefie na mcha da ye beko na boaboa why nyambo no papa me ba o se o ma me apene so yi
It's a nice movie. Meba. Oh! Ade. What boy miss meba? What I did this? No, so yeah. Oh, mommy. When I don't get that. Well, let me say you we are Messaka, what? Didn't you manual? Where? Hey. Pablo now, hey. I also say, I'm a high background. If I'm going to Mamma to me, son. Come on. Maybe I know. Patrol. Oh, inside. No, me can't mean so bad that crowd. Hey, boss. Boy. Hey, Nana. I won't say my member. Not yours. Oh, my member. Hey. Blah. Hey. I could talk to my sister. But what did your man about? Man, it's your cock. Answer. Thank what position? That's what one frame is over. Mommy, we don't down more men can't tell my men so about where you know on friendship they are now town. UK.
Men throw us on my bamboo fee. What to be done? Hey, where you say? My banner baby some question, my boy maniano. Who miss some question? Who's I said it? My mom been frozen. Yaoba. I'm coming up with dear and some common other. I'm got some yamon and one of them. Said a bear will be him. Some catch was some do for Biba. Or Papa, or buy at the tunnel. Ebro, send a bear. Would you want also bet? Open where Granny will be trade dry over more mobile. No, I do a home.
Ma, who kind of more than I'm the one?
More than I'm the man. Me auntie, okay.
Because my baby, you know, basically, I'm more sort.
Now, what do we wait? Wait. Me say member me anyway. Intimate you bar eba. I become member me no. No bana ye fear dear. Come and member me no. What all? Shame.
I thought we spoke about this and I didn't agree with it. I thought we spoke about this and I didn't agree with it. So what's she doing here?
Yeah, just calm down. That is what I'm trying to talk to you about. Just relax. Because some many over here, you know, DBC, more swat, I don't know what for about without me permission.
And no permission, me permission to them the number. Dear me pay enemy, dear Macoma, let them send me and no enemy. And yet, dear Mumu to one monkey. What? Way over.
Listen, by the time I come back, she should be gone. That's all.
She. Remember the way you know. I prefer by way you are. Where over Bobra? Me manage your home.
See your bar, no minute, you know. I'm immune, and I agree about see problem now, because we create.
Me manage your home. There be manage and me poo, and you. Me manage and me pay. Me pay some banner. Would done out what all. No one's a say no, or only pep will fear, or baby will fear, or be regarded. I know what Janema meant, dear. What?
The baby say, overside the knuckle. Namino Banacino, you see, I've more sorted out.
I'll grow out the papa. My book and I'm a dinner. Miss Hanfano.
A cabbie will be a meteor.
Mempe, Medichel. Zakana, dear mammy, I'm in fact. A patopi, and you Jimmy are not paying. For bag and I'm going to be our bed.
Hey, now what is our new point?
And friend, hey, what are ya? Oh, Papa Santua, so yes, Antoine. Young choir. Follow me.
Boss, I beg what just happened for you.
You okay? Please, I'm not ready for your jokes.
Something happened, but please keep this between us.
What happened?
It's just making me want to go back to Canada. Do you know that my husband's mother got a maid behind our back?
Oh,
behind my back. She didn't tell me. And this girl has come and she's cooking, she's cleaning, she's doing everything. And we were fine. My husband cooks good. His food is good. He knows how to clean. I don't know who asked her to just bring this girl into the house without my permission.
Why would she do such a thing?
I don't know.
Sweetheart, you have to be careful.
Yeah, I thought the same. I think
really
he
have
needs
to.
to sack her, right?
These girls, trust me, you have to be really, really careful. Don't trust them. But why would you let your mother-in-law decide for you in your marital home?
She does not listen to anything I say. She doesn't listen. So what do I do?
Anyways, this is the reason why I am getting married to a white man. Trust me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, you know I love my husband, so, but hey, I support you.
Love. So tell me, are you coming for the party tonight?
Of course, I have to come with you. But wait, what are you wearing?
I don't know yet, but I'm going to pass through Macy's boutique and find something.
Oh, girl, you still shop there? It's been 2 to 3 years now. They must have some good stuff.
They do. They really do.
I'll pick something out my closet. Let's go turn up, girl. I need it. I am so stressed.
Okay,
let's go have a drink. Cheers again.
Stop. One last one. Who be eating me? I say. Be near the man. Look at this. Shut up. Who has to? Hey. Move.
Oh my God. When you're Ade. Me ka so de ni je bi be hia me na de no.
Ma. Me ni nka wo fia ha o. Me nu aduane ana na ndi. Me pepa ha no obetia me. Na ye no ne nam me so saa. Ni je bi ani me mu wo fia no se. Ade na enyiye.
Ka wakoma to ye me se ebeye. Bibia hyase bia saa edene. Se na benye bibia ebedi mo no. Obre. Saa na tienti ka wakoma to ye mu ate na fa wani to me so. Bibia beye.
O ma me nya hwe o.
Obeye. Don't worry. Obeye.
Say ma me nkwai.
Okwai. Me ma nkwai. Tra heya. A time will come. Everything has got a time. And the time is just... That's my sweetie. Seriously, mama, laugh for me. That's my girl. You're not bringing your face.
Please, I'm done with your lunch.
Have I asked you to prepare any food for me? Leave. Go!
Okay, sorry.
I didn't show any more Diane in one. What's the more Diane you want me? Yeah? Yeah?
Yes.
Stand here.
Okay.
Who cooked this food?
I did.
Are you sure?
Yes. Please, is there any problem?
You sure you didn't buy it from the restaurant out there?
No. I cooked myself.
The food is nice.
Thank you.
And I've seen all the hard work you're doing in this house. I must say you are a hard-working woman, and I really appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you, please.
Then I want to... I have give you a proper welcome. So I just want to welcome you to my home.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
So you just feel free around and continue with your hard work.
Thank you.
Okay, you can leave.
Please, should I get you water?
Oh, here, get me some water.
Okay.
Nana, you know I'm very disappointed in you. You told me you were gonna sack this girl from day one, and she's still here.
Listen, if you don't want her around, I will let her go. But then, she's been good. Everything has been okay. The cleaning, the cooking, everything. She's doing everything.
Nana, but we were fine with your cooking and cleaning. You even cook better than her, so what are you talking about? This is how we were living in Canada. Why is Ghana different? Why do we need her help now? You were doing everything perfectly in Canada. Why have things changed?
Babe, I've heard you. I will let her go, okay? If that's what you want, I will let her go. You know I love you.
When? When are you gonna let her go?
Very soon she will leave, okay? I need to talk to my mother about it. You know my mom brought her. Okay? Please.
So you can't sack her on your own? You have to talk to your mother first?
Don't worry. She will leave. Okay?
She better.
Come on, sweetheart.
Don't sweetheart me. Don't sweetheart me.
Akoba.
Yeah, Oba.
Yeah,
Boko na muswe.
Nyamia do me me ho bia ho ye.
Ene ne ba manya je hu se. Oba.
Tampacho no bibia.
Oh, man monsieur.
Oh, I'm free ya no.
Yeah. Ewia na ebo no. Se wo nu monsieur wa no.
Yes. Yeah.
Hey, Asantuano. Asantuano. Hey! Yay! Tuba.
Hey, Papa!
Now what to say?
Pacho, me will be. It's you, Pacho. Hey, my feel. Hey, what?
No, my cousin.
Well, dear. See if you on where you are come. Oh,
my brother's a car.
Oh, yeah, dear.
Say, me catch you. I told you so. Me catch you. Oh, no, I can't say what you some could be. I remember. Eh? Tasty one. Tasty one.
Woman is over.
Matsi.
We come ye queen me. Oh, sister,
I'm young coin.
Oh, better.
Meda.
Yo,
Yeah.
Okay, anyway. Say green. Train. Seven I did me ache. Hey. Me mommy find a this is one that.
Oh. Why are they? You can't see me.
Oh, boy, me.
Oh, boy.
No, boy,
oh, and that's all boy, they ain't trying short. You can't short.
Says he.
Now, you mean trying short. You trying short. And then body to body.
Says he.
Body to body, oh, dear, say. Why no, on your massive send me and say she.
David, Miss. How do you find call? Money maintaining the position or one move here.
Sakeke.
I want to say, Bema worry for. I didn't say I could worry become.
Oh,
they say, me worry me, you know.
Who are you? Who are you? Manager Angie. Manager, my papa. When ye? What's when you're Jankasa, what's a ultimate dad show? But for the hard, I would did. On pay weight, now pay the then I'll pay.
Come on, Benno.
And come on. That's why that's a human says what? It is a say no. Me per se. That's my baby. I say, oh, and Rebecca. I say, oh,
no. Worry, come here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's me worry me, you know.
Oh, are they? Ain't you?
Debbie. No me worry, ya na se me kwa. Me de ya be di me chia kwa na me ja ya ha na me ne me yira akọ.
Na wa wo hwa ade ya ma wi. Na wo kwa buchi no di wachi. Na wo kwa se wo beto betimi anya peace of mind ya adwuma.
Na mo me.
Aw. Ebe boa.
Na me de kwa na me ne me yira atena se ka je me worry bi aka no.
Na wo ko kai de wo ye ayi. Wo ko kai de no ase wo wade. Ye fa chiri boko akwa ye no wade. Simple and short. Ya no. We ke bia ni mu.
How the money maintaining the position na money clinic has na no aye.
Ye wadwen yie. Ye wadwen yie mesrew. Ye wadwen yie. Me amitu hu se wa fresh amame. Say na pesa me ba na ye. Na be so na kita praye, na kita mobo. Enye fine kra.
Nanti aprani ai mobi ntina me ngo worry.
Nyo. Say me awu beto. That's my baby boy. Some de me Judy. Un ba kwa dream sana fa so kan so ndinka. Di ntia me ni abri nyina ne se. Unim se. Ware ya eyifi. Da che wona no wo. O mana ka fi. Na wo ya bonte so ni. Wona no ko wo. O maka ho. Enya je on bebe fi da. Enya na amuji mani da che. Se wo yare ya. Why na be show? Why na be show do what it no go sui. Ku ya da hobbit na show. So kwa dwumwe. Esu krum pete di una mai bika. Tacham so be dwen. Nan kan jam so wono yire o be kan no. Me na me de be dwen.
I had some noise coming out from my room. I decided to check up on her, that's all.
So what was I hearing with my ears? I heard something. I hope it's not what I think it is.
I don't know what you heard, but maybe it's the TV or something.
Mama, are you sure? Please don't take me for a fool, because right now, like, I don't even know what to believe. Please tell me that what you're saying is true, because, like, I'm in shock right now. I don't know.
Yes, what I'm telling you is the truth. Please. I heard some noise out of the room. I decided to check up.
So why can't we go in there together?
It's solved. The problem is solved. It was the TV. I think she was watching the TV. She left it on and it was making noise. Please, let's go. It's late. Let's go to sleep. Come on. Don't worry.
Mama.
Lena, am I not welcome here today? You look so moody. What is it?
Oh, I'm sorry. Please excuse me today. Do you remember what I told you about?
What did you tell me about? We spoke about a lot of stuff the last time.
You forgot what I told you about. It has happened with the house help.
No. Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking.
If you are my friend and I know you well, then it is what you are thinking. You warned me about this.
Oh my God.
I should have listened to you. You hinted me. Oh. And you know what? I confirmed it. I confirmed that they are dating.
Your husband
Yes.
is sleeping with your house help.
Yeah. Sleeping together, dating, whatever. And you know what? I hate to confess this, but I feel like she has something over me. Like she's cooking for him and cleaning for him. And this was never a problem. I mean, in Canada, he used to do this for us. And even when we first came. And it's like now she's using this against us. It's like a weakness.
No, Lena, you cannot lose this marriage.
I can't. You know, I love my husband so much. And we've achieved so much together. We have so many investments together. I can't lose. And you know, I have a feeling that this is all from my mother-in-law. Like, she had a plan. She purposely brought her here as a maid, but I feel like she was up to something.
I told you.
She wanted
You cannot
to
lose
marry
this
him.
marriage. You cannot.
I can't.
You need to sit up. Listen, Lena, you have to learn how to cook. You have to clean the house.
Cook?
Please. Yes, that's the only way you can save this marriage.
But you know I'm a very busy woman. I'm working. I have a lot of things going on.
If you
Cook?
love your husband, then you really have to do this. You cannot lose this marriage. You have to learn how to cook. You have to clean the whole place. When you wake up, you tidy up your room, lay your bed and all that. And I'm serious about the cooking. You really have to do it. You know, a way to a man's heart is through his stomach.
Kwaba.
Yeah, my dear. Hey,
why if it?
So my affair, me come across our Tommy Yamon. I saw me that say.
And they also want to know you.
I need to come and your job was to come crying me.
The babies are quash you. I had it before.
Lady, I mean, come semper. I saw me crying a bonnet. Bay America cranium about mobile fear, be share me, bay any moon. Be worried no, I didn't buy. Chrome was had the chair, dear, said that when she said, me name baby, I stars, so. Just a big stars and Casanca, I've been a one. Eh, and my man and the bunny warrior were a Castiano, just a non corner de Crumo. Now I say, me to my namo, at the fair family, ye dear, and you knew yam Casty say dear. Make me fan shaman. No, send to my namo, I'm a ba. I'm a dear that piece, see at the Bremo. I saw. To be by accident, and I mean,
when guesses so how, and send come in, I'm a baby. Now, you better was sick. So I want the fair for see your mind. Oh, banner her, mammy. Why are dear papa? Oh, not a chin on one man.
Yes,
Yammy say your friend, or the Akulebas as you. Amen. Why are dear to do your butter?
Now, me buy me whom must say. Yana Uraway. So I bet to mechanic and coin. You said me who must take on a form. And son, I'm a quamako.
How did things get this worse? I mean, how did it get to this stage? I'm now sharing Nana with this girl. Oh Lord, please protect me and give me the patience so that I don't harm Nana or his mother in this house. This can't be me, sharing my husband with this girl. Father, please, console me.
Babe. Hey, what's going on? What are you doing? Hey, talk to me. What is it? What's the problem? Talk to me, babe.
You've gone to marry a new wife, right? You've gone to marry a new wife. Enjoy with her. I'm going back to Canada. Right? You've gone to marry a new wife because I'm not good enough.
Babe, I don't love you.
You love me. And you've married another woman to add to us. Babe. So now we believe in polygamy, right?
Babe, I'm sorry. Please, listen to me.
What's this?
Please.
soon. I'm going to be late for the airport. I'm going back. I'm going back to Ghana.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're sorry.
Please listen to me.
Girl, where are you?
Lena.
Oh my God, are you crying? What is it? Stop it. Stop crying. Stop it. He married her. Why did he do this to me?
I know.
Oh my God.
This too shall
What did
pass.
I do
Trust
to deserve
me.
this?
It will pass. It will pass. It will pass.
Oh, I'm so depressed.
I'm highly disappointed in your husband. I mean, how can he stoop this low?
This is what I came to Ghana for. It's okay. Stop it. I've been so sad for the past month.
I'm highly disappointed in your husband.
Oh God, I don't even know what to say.
You're going to have your husband back.
Amen, amen, amen. I
I'm
love
gonna
him
be
so
glad.
much.
I know.
You know that?
I know. You're gonna have him back. Okay.
I thought I knew him well. I thought I knew my husband.
Just
Oh.
Look at them. You don't know anything. Yeah. Eura, what will crop on? Who be fear to say? Look at here, all is neat and smelling scent good. Look at here, smelling good. Look at all this. Eh? When I wake up and I come and I do like this and I do like this. Oh. When I sit on my relaxable chair and I wake up, all my buttocks all here in Futron. You see? That is why I brought nice woman who can work, workable woman to work everywhere. She's the one doing all this. Cheers, so for the betterment of our lives. Me are buying many papa. Who say, baby, are you okay? Who say, oh, bro, na person bra more. Bra more dressing, near be assassin. But person call him.
But that's it.
Go front, go front. Call him. Yes. Number one in your den. Let your eye be strong. One in your den. Udino, kasa yasa tuano. Ma enya juma. So uni waba kosem. Maninya juma. Sisi waba ye mesis. Ya warawo. Ubie ni mse uya warefo. Upunone. Miakasa meba maseno. Masipre kope. Bese uye na ujia wariye no. A bosu. What? She a warrior bosu. Ye oboro. Warrior no. Yes. So you generate from somewhere and then you grow and then
Matthias,
This is nice.
I know you love local. And I did exactly that for you.
Look at you sitting comfortably in my house. You think I don't know your plans, eh? You're a husband snatcher. You're a... Hey, you keep quiet! You keep quiet! What is it with me that you're talking to like this? You've grown wings, eh? If not for the fact that I'm from Canada, I will show you. If you had arranged your
well. So you lose everything.
You are losing. I have another husband. I have snatched your husband. I have taken him away from you. What can you do? What can you do?
Don't let me get upset.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. What can you do? You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. What can you do? What can you do? Yes, he's my husband. He is my husband. What can you do? Look, if you don't talk to your wife, you don't want it. If you don't talk to your wife, if you don't talk to your wife, this maid talk to your wife. Talk to your wife. You call this girl wife to this girl. Men, don't let me. I don't care. Hey, you are lucky you come from class. You see how to you. Look, if you don't talk to your wife, if you don't talk to her, I'm in my husband's house. I am in my husband's house.
Calm down, okay?
Talk to your wife!
Lena!
I am in my husband's house. Hey, in fact, look, if you come and try this...
What's going on here? Are you serious, Nana? Are you serious? What is this? What is she doing in our bed?
Please calm down.
What is she doing in our bed?
Calm down, okay?
Hey, why are you making... Hey, what is it? Look, I'm your wife.
What is it? His wife.
Yes.
In our matrimonial bed. You couldn't even take her to the guest room or something.
Take me.
I have been quiet about everything, but in our bed, Nana. Nana.
Babe, calm down.
Nana,
Look,
are you
look,
serious?
you are annoying me. I am your wife, okay? What is it?
Hey, Nana. 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 Is this what you're doing to me?
What is he doing?
Is this what you're doing to me?
What is he
When
doing?
me and you lie down. Nana, is this what you're doing to me?
Mommy.
Calm down, okay?
Hey, mommy, look, hey.
What is wrong with you?
Baby.
He was my husband first.
Babe, calm down.
Is it because I've just been quiet about everything?
Who cares?
Because I've been quiet about everything.
I am your
Nana,
married
trying to be
okay?
a peaceful wife.
Canadian, what is happening?
Ma, and then I drew my sister me better than chain, and she came to meet me sleeping here. No, I started here to do what Hanum says, Anna.
What is wrong about sleeping here?
Ask her.
What is wrong? Canadian, what is wrong
In
sleeping
my
here?
matrimonial bed, ma.
Am I not
If
his
I
wife?
did this to you, will you like it, ma? Will you like it with all due respect, ma?
Yes, I don't want you to.
Hey, Nana,
A fight.
this is what you brought me from
Look,
Canada
you are annoying me.
I've
What
been
is this?
quiet
You are
and I've
disrespecting
been
me.
calm.
You have no right to fight.
Hey,
Listen.
what is it?
Hey, you don't respect me, eh? Why are you annoying with her that she cannot sleep with him? She's the husband too.
Yes.
So now it's 1 week, 1 week. If you want it, fine. If you don't want it, the road is on your face.
Yes, the road is on my face. I'm going back to Canada. And I am from Canada. I am not
Look
part
at
of
this
this.
Canada.
Who cares?
Canadian. Everything Canada.
Hey.
Canada. Go!
Oh, what is that?
Go!
What is
And
that?
don't come back.
Oh,
Never return. Hey. Adiẹ.
Ah,
Adiẹ.
we don't understand you before best sorry ako.
Minya buta sasa.
Let me go, cry.
Dear,
Disrespecting me, what is that?
Nyabutre. Metawachi. Dia wo ye no.
Obi ba na makofa na bakro mu no.
Dot one way hwan
So
obi
be
hwan.
the woman.
Wo obi hwan ya.
Any pan a woman.
Me pasa. Hey, you are sleeping.
Thank you.
Nana.
Enjoy.
Nana. Hey.
You like it?
It's nice, but you know.
Please, please. I don't want to hear anything. Enjoy your meal. I made it just the local way for you. Oh my God. So Nana has all these properties and I know nothing about it? Wow. I have to act fast. Yes. I know what to do. Yes. I know what to do.
Yeah, I'm watching. Girl, you're strong.
This marriage, we're going to take it back.
Okay.
Trust me.
Okay.
You see how she's doing it?
Yeah.
I'm doing the same thing, right?
Yeah.
You want to try?
I think you're even doing it better than her.
I know, right?
Okay.
Try.
Don't laugh at me, please.
No, I'm not. Just try. Let me cut the tomatoes.
Hey, it's hot. Hold on. Girl. African in you. Like this, right?
You're pounding it.
What do I do?
Wait, let me help you.
Okay. Girl, don't break my nails.
You're thinking about your nails?
Okay. Let me be serious. Okay.
All right, do it. Let me see.
No, show me. Are you sure
Hold
this
it
thing is
well.
not gonna burn me?
No, it's not. Just hold it well.
Okay, hold my hand, please. Let's be serious right now. Okay.
Now let's go.
Girl, just for one food?
Oh, I'm so excited. He's
going to enjoy this meal today. Oh, he needs water. Let's go.
I don't know, did you match yourself?
Oh, no be anything. Right. You the come job? Boss.
Wow.
Yeah. But boss, before you go chop, I'll make Madam can taste her.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
How can you tell me what to do?
Oh no.
What is your problem?
But no problem. But make it just come taste her. Make it just come taste her. I be it will be alright. No be anything.
You don't have to worry. Which one are you talking about?
I did talk of your extra wife. The one you bring last one.
Lena. Lena.
Yes. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes, Nana.
How are you?
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm fine, boss.
I believe you prepared me this food.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
You haven't had it yet?
I'm about to eat, but UK is saying a different thing. What's your problem?
I'm saying make extra madam can take some.
Which extra madam?
Extra madam, not me.
So I'm saying the
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah?
Yeah?
What's going on?
What is it?
Please have a seat.
Why should I have a seat?
I just want you to sit by my side.
Okay.
Because like you go stand there and do more.
I go first and do what?
Enough.
Yes.
Why?
How are you?
I'm fine. Why? The food is not nice. Do you want me to cook something nice for you?
Yeah, babe, I want you to taste it.
I want you to taste it.
Me. Nana. Me. Eat food. Taste food. Wait. I'm not going to taste it. Excuse me.
Madam, sit down and taste the food. Yeah, taste my food.
Hey.
Yeah, listen to me. Calm down. I just want you to have a taste.
What's going on?
I know the old one that
Why don't you taste it and see? It's nice. Taste it.
Me. Taste your food. Excuse me.
Madam, just taste the food. You're wasting our time.
Excuse me. You want me to taste something you and you, both of you prepared, me.
Why? Your husband says taste it, so
I
just
can't
taste
cook?
it.
Why should I taste it? What is your problem?
Look at how delicious it
Please
looks.
calm down. Please calm down. Calm down.
What's going on?
Hey, why did you tell them to call me?
You say?
Why did you tell them to call me?
Oh, me, I thought say the food way. It's just chop some.
Ma, I heard you go see omo person omo gume.
Oh.
I heard you go see omo person omo gume. What is it? Me baby ah. Mo mo do ani anyete. Mo fa ni me do ani ni bi. Ani na person omo gume ni ma say.
Yeah, taste the food.
Okay. So tell us why you want her to.
Hey.
Oh, boss, I say she put rat medicine for your food inside.
let's all calm down. Listen.
Yes.
The thing where you talk right now. The thing where you talk right now.
Yes, boss.
If you know be true,
What did you say?
you know what I will do to you.
Oh, boss, yes.
You know.
I know. I know say you go sack me.
Repeat it in English.
I say you put medicine for the food.
She,
yes.
me,
If you put that.
No, Nana, let me ask you one question. Am I the one that would want to put me in trouble? Nana?
Lina, please.
Come on up to my dad. Why are we in trouble?
Lina, please.
Me. Warn me about this girl.
No.
Please.
I'm listening.
Please, listen to me.
Okay.
Okay, ma. Said be no probia be ye.
But the mama need me.
Me ba cho ona onipa no. Ma me kan ni. Ase bibia nkoda. Problem.
No wonder she said she won't try.
Lina, please.
Yeah, Tia me Judy. Minimum 7 to me.
Mommy, only me be. Daddy, I me na me no aye. No mo be no mo person mo kumi so e. Ama me na me ka na me wo e.
Test it.
I've been very cool. But baby e kono. So when you me bufu a taste the food before the hand.
Odi ya no wi.
No, na mommy dey ono any dey on di bi.
Hey, listen to me. Can be me.
Menti wasi o. Don't kind of mentia. Would have found such a cat.
Exactly. Taste it.
Just
Taste it.
Woman must. Can them no be auntie, and I'm going to you. Cannot be auntie. There be any yakata. Talk loud. But as I'm not banning, talk to everybody's hearing. Hey! Say it louder. So, who can say obey never dear Diana? Eti, who person who call That me penny was so. Me no ba wariana semanka se be kumo bi ma. Me nya wudi ni. Me ti mo de papa. Aso me ko ni pa. Me do. Me ko.
Really? What be you be a warrior boss no? Who be poison?
UK.
Yes, sir. UK. Yes, boss.
Go upstairs. Yeah. Tasia party ni me nyina. Hurry up. You. Okay. Yes, sir. This is a human matter. And take on you 2 minutes. Get out. Whoa. Get out. Get out when you come.
I'm waiting people. My police me fan wo bi. Obasa ko kumo bi. Obasa ko kumo bi. Me ma keska. Mo ba na to ba tu.
Mo fa wait. Wait,
Hey! Go. Thank you, Jesus. Come on. I had no fear. It's a common command. It's okay. TikTok for na jina na wo paste here. Cut and paste we ya diane. Won ma diane ye. A shisam kaba show say na ye kakra wo ho. E dia no.
So what you this?
Me ma juma ndi so.
So what you want sasa? Ensign. And oba na do your doormat. Oba na ye we say sasa.
So ono na ye. Me ba na boy ye na said o ye na said ye ka we nyina kema. Didn't want to be boy.
Mami, say me pray say me we mu dia hina obe.
Any anka o pray anka. The plan na ye tu.
I don't know yes.
But say me show.
Once see what you want this.
My jima no so dia. Na so. We you don't know.
This also pa me Rachel.
Huh?
Also pa me Rachel.
Over my back case. Me pa we dey chose dey enti. Obi a wo mu ade no. Obi a wo mu ade no. Me pa ne jo. Asem ba e wo mu ne woni na danfo no de wo mu chewa ha. O mu na ya se toys no. O mu ho mu de o mu ye wa.
Mami na de ya yi efe.
Enya fe. Wa ya de na me se for police kura be che no. For police be che no. Ana me kura me ko fa bag akọ. Minimum awie tintonton de mo ya mo bia mo nye. O pe kura da fo no ntiatia. Enya nya basem. Enya basem. O pa so de dware no. Dware mo ba.